नित्यानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वदी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि. Nityanandam, I welcome all of you for this live broadcast of Akashic Readings, the revelation of the cosmic archives through the bodies of the Balasans of Nityananda Gurukul. Welcome all of you with my love and respects. Today, I'll be answering any question that you have on different Shaktis manifestation or Akashic readings or anything that Swamiji speaks in something, anything that you have, you can ask me you can put your questions in the comments and you can get them answered live. I'll be answering it to you live. So any question that you are having, you can put it now. Welcome all of you, Nityanandam to all of you. Welcome all of you with my love and respect. Okay, so before starting our session, you guys any one of you can ask me questions. In the meanwhile, I also want to be sharing so many deep truths that we got as clicks today after Swamiji's powerful satsang today. Today we had a live uh, living Sadashivam session. The whole session today it was a session where Swamiji explained how the essence of the whole of his teachings is completion and integrity. He was also explaining on what it is to be in completion. Completion, what we call as completion, is not the real completion. Swamiji defined it very beautifully. We tell sometimes people tell feeling good is completion or feeling light is completion, but Swamiji put it up in a very nice way, a very precise way. You not having any compulsive behavior is completion. We have a question from Mano Shakti. My biggest dream is to be able to manifest the power to scan the body and remove disease. Do you think it is possible for me? You have a head, right? So you have a third eye. So it is possible for you. So much very clearly told anyone who is having a head has a third eye. So this power is possible for them. And all of us can manifest all these powers. And Swamiji is simplifying it, making it more and more and more and more practical for us, and so easily he's able to make us manifest these Shaktis. Now, so many of us have different desires, so many of us have different things that we want to manifest. But deep inside us, there's a part in us which is constantly stopping us and blocking us from manifesting these powers. That part which is blocking us from manifesting these powers is what need to be completed. And that completion, Swamiji himself will take care. All you need to do is to be in integrity. That's what Swamiji told today. The whole essence of all the things that you need for manifesting the powers is nothing other than two things: integrity and completion. With completion as the base and integrity as a whole lifestyle, when you start living, what you'll start manifesting will be the Shaktis, all these different powers. Power of scanning the bodies is also one dimension of the power of third eye only. When you get initiated into this third eye awakening, then automatically so many different possibilities in you starts opening up. When all of us start like all the Balasans started having this power of third eye. First, we all manifested this blindfold reading, where all of us were able to cover the eyes and we were able to read. Then, after such some time, suddenly one day Swamiji came in satsang and told, "What? Just reading through closed eyes, all of you will be able to scan the bodies." And all of us are like, "Okay, how is that going to happen?" And of course, as usual, Swamiji made it happen for us. What just told us, close your eyes and scan the bodies to the third, and you'll be able to do it. And we were able to scan the operation marks, the scars, even the birthmarks, and even the internal organs, like whatever is any kidney failure, we are able to tell. Stone in the kidney, we are able to tell. Hole in the heart, we are able to tell. blood pressure we were able to tell. All these different things also started becoming possible for us. So I am sitting right now in this stage where the live Akashic readings are happening. It is also one of the highest powers where the whole time dimension is under your control. You will be able to play with this dimension. You will be able to scan and see anything that you want. Anyone's past, anyone's present, and anyone's future, you will be able to see it. And the more interesting thing here is, listen carefully. The Balasant who will be revealing these readings to you will not remember what he or she is reading to you. Really, I'm telling. Every day the Balasants here read for so many people. But without their will, they don't remember anything that is being revealed to their own body. See, if I'm speaking something to you, at least the essence of it I'll remember. But the Balasants won't remember anything. It'll be like they're disconnected from the body and some other energy is there in that body at that time. Because it's Kalabhira's energy which will be there in their body. So today, like in this question, what about this body scanning that you're asking? It is possible by all of us. This power, it is possible. Even you will be able to manifest it. All you need to do is get yourself into integrity, and simply you'll see how amazingly this power starts manifesting through you. So, any one of you have any questions, you can post it and get them answered live. We have a question from Srinitya Swarupan. Nityanandam, while reading or scanning or while practicing third eye, for example, if suppose I'm scanning the color, I am prejudging that it will be certain color. How can I handle this? See, understand, be very clear. Any name or any fame that is coming to you is not that what is important. It is a relationship between you and Swamiji. It's just your relationship. So when you are very clear with this, until whatever might happen, whether manifestation of the Shaktis, whether it should happen or not, whether will I be able to manifest or not, it is finally Swamiji's thing. It is his power, it is he who is doing it. So let him decide, let him manifest through me. When you are very clear that you are going to just be a channel for Swamiji, instead of you telling that I am going to do it, it's going to be my effort, when you are very clear with that, simply you will see the power starts manifesting through you. And when you are having all these different thoughts of you judging it or anything, just relax. Tell yourself, I'm relaxing. I'm relaxing into Swamiji. And I'm very clearly declaring whatever is happening is he who is doing it. So whatever is appearing to me alone, I'm going to tell. Then you simply see the power just starts manifesting through you. So this thing is enough, and the way you'll become, what you'll do, everything will become amazing. So any questions that you're having, you can post it now and get them answered live. See, actually, this also falls under integrity only. You have to be in integrity with whatever is happening, with whatever power is manifesting through you. You are supposed to be in integrity with that. So when you decide that I am going to be in integrity, whatever might happen, let me be in integrity, then all these powers also start becoming relevant to you. You'll see how all these powers starts becoming so practical to you. All that is needed is nothing other than completion and integrity. That's what Swamiji told in today's session, in the LSP session, the living Shuddha, the living Sadashivam process session. Anything that happens to you in your life, again and again bring this thought in you. Is this thought or is this action, is this decision aligned to what I want to be in my life? How do I want myself to be? How do I want life to be to me? Align yourself to all these things. Finally, just get yourself to that core where this is what I want to be. Then you will see how everything falls in place for you and the integrity starts happening for you, so that you will start manifesting different powers. You can actually see so many people are walking behind me, coming and seeing. It's nothing because I'm sitting right in this live session where the continuously Akashic readings is going on. I'm just projecting one Balasan to you, but there are like so many of them here continuously manifesting these Shaktis. It's not a joke manifesting these Shaktis for so many people that do. And that is what is exactly happening here. Kids are left and right, they're manifesting continuously. If you have any questions, you can post it here in the comments and get them answered live now. Okay, we have a question from Ravi Melbourne. My daughter is 20 years old. She got into dentistry. Do you think this is the right thing for her, and how her future will be? Okay, so understand. First thing, the decision that each one takes. If she is completely comfortable with it and has no conflict, that is the right thing for her. But even then, you want to confirm, you can surely confirm it by asking in the Akashic readings. The link is shared in this, and right on top of the video, you can see the link. You can click there and register and have the link and get your Akashic readings done. So, these Akashic readings, whatever manifestation is happening, everything is again and again the whole manifestation is for integrity. And when that integrity is happening, the manifestation is happening, and any of your doubts or anything that you are having, you can ask it and get them answered live. Okay, we have a question from Ranganathan. What is your name? I am a Balasant of Nityananda Gurukul. My name is Lopamudra, and I am a Balasant of Nityananda Gurukul. And I am also initiated into all these different Shaktis. And even we are like, it's not just a bunch of kids. Actually, the whole Gurukul, whole of Nityananda Gurukul is initiated into all these different Shaktis. And through Swamiji's love and Swamiji's grace, we're just like continuously manifesting all these different powers. And all these things also bring more and more confidence into all of us. That's why you see any question that you are able to ask, the Balasans will just answer. Anything you ask in the Akashic reading and see, not just me telling it to you. You have to ask. You should experience it, because it will not be that I'm telling you I'm just sharing some things with you and people. It's nothing like that. It's like so powerfully. Balasans will answer it to you, any question that you're asking from your past. That too, they don't even know about your background, but they'll be able to answer to you exactly. Ramesh Gautam is asking another question. I haven't got the Zoom link yet for Akash anymore. You will get it. See, we're just grouping and we'll send it to you. You will get it. Ranganathan is asking another question. Your Gurukul is located in which place? See, Nityananda Gurukul, it's not just a school. It's actually, the word Gurukul itself means living with the master, where you get to see each and every moment. You continuously get to live with the master, get to know about like how he responds to each situation, and you also start grasping it into your biomemory. When this grasping starts happening in you, you will simply see how amazingly the knowledge, the life response to your life, everything starts happening. And that gift is only being given to all of us in our Gurukul. And this Gurukul is situated in Bidadi, in the Mysore Road, um, closer to Bangalore in Karnataka. I can share the address of Gurukul with you after this live session getting over. I'll put the address also. If you want to get your kid, see, until 21, Gurukul is open for all the kids. Until the age of 21, and they all of them are called as kids only here. And it is free. How I'm sure so many people, when I tell it's free, they're awestruck, because of course the world's best thing, the best lifestyle is given for free. It's not a joke. So it's given for free, and I'll surely share the address with you. If you want your kids to register or join Gurukul, you can send your contact details to us in this page, the Gurukul page, and we'll be able to answer it to you live, or we'll be able to we'll contact you and get you here. We'll help you out. Any questions that you're having about manifestation of powers, or about Gurukul, or about meaning that Swamiji speaks in satsang, you can answer it to me, and you can ask me the question in the comments, and I can answer it to you live now. Put it in the comments. If you put any power, like how you are manifesting a power you want to share, or any experience that you want to share about Akashic reading, even welcome. You are welcome to share here. So many people come and tell me about what they go through during these Akashic readings. It has been amazing to hear all this, because it's not just about what kind of thing, like, see, when I'm telling that Akashic readings is happening, or when I'm telling that some power is manifesting through me, people should, they're telling that, okay, wow, it's manifesting, wow, it's happening, it's okay for a level, but when they feel that same energy in them, only then that becomes a science. And that's what exactly happens here. When the people just come into this space where the Akashic readings are being revealed, they get into the Shakti Nipada. The Shakti Nipada that the kids carry with Swamiji at that time, they get into that Shakti Nipada. When they get into that Shakti Nipada, then automatically the bliss starts happening within them also. This that starts happening into them. This that helps them to manifest this power will just be reflected into their brain, the people's brain, and that takes them to the, like, an amazing light feeling within themselves. Actually, many people come here just to experience that space. Just for experiencing that space, so many people continuously come here and entangle with the adolescents. When more and more this entanglement starts happening in you, the powers also starts happening very easily. See, what I mean by entanglement is, you, if you have a question from Juma Debna, Nityanandama, I am 27 now. How long can it take for me to learn how the kids in Gurukul learn? That is, how can I experience downloading many things like the Gurukul kids do? Will I also be able to do so? Anyone with Swamiji's initiation can do it. See, of course, if you're an adult, it may take some more time, it may take some extra time, but you will be able to manifest all these powers. These powers are not restricted to just a few people. Swamiji is opening the doors for everyone. Come on. That is why Swamiji is going to continuously conduct further programs also. Like, there is going to be this inner awakening or 21-day retreat program. It's a spiritual retreat, and in this program, all of you will also be taught the science of how to manifest different powers. See, right now behind me, you can see how the Balasans are manifesting powers, manifesting these Akashic readings to all the people who are continuously coming. And also, you can see the online session going on. The kid sitting on the laptop is actually doing an online session. So, people come here physically to get their Akashic readings revealed. And also, people from online, like from so many different parts of the world, come and they have their Akashic readings revealed. You can also have your Akashic readings revealed. You just need to register in the link, and soon we'll be able to give you the Zoom link so that you can get your Akashic readings revealed. So, any questions that you're having, you can post it in the comments and I'll be able to answer it to you. So, now all these different Shaktis is possible by all of us. How much time it takes is how much based on how much integrity that you have, nothing else. Even if you have toxins in your body, it does not take time for Swamiji to just detoxify your body if you're in high integrity. All it takes is just the integrity, nothing else. If you are in integrity, simply powers will start manifesting through you. Because again and again, I'm telling you, see, we may all think there may be some special trick that the Balasans are doing, or some special practice that we are doing. To be honest, we don't do any spiritual practice. Swamiji told whatever we are doing is supposed to be only for man. Uh, when I will be able to read other Akashic readings? This is a question from Ramesh Gautam. Akashic readings, like, are you asking about your manifestation, or are you asking for having your Akashic readings revealed to you? What are you exactly asking? Is it the power of Akashic readings to start manifesting through you, or is it the Akash readings about you, or some question that you're having? What is the exact question? If you can post it, I can answer it to you that. Because, see, if it is your questions that need to be answered, It'll happen. You just, if you want, you can come here physically and you can get it read. You can get it revealed to you, or just register and wait for some time. We will reach out to you with a Zoom link so that you can have it read via Zoom, like online. And if you want to manifest this power of Akashic readings, there again comes this thing of how much integrated you are. Nothing else. It's just based on how integrated you are. How integrated you are to what you want you to be. And how integrated you are to how you want life to be for you. When all this is just the integrity that you are holding, nothing else. If you are in integrity, if you are in that highest space of completion and integrity, simply what you want in your life to happen will just start manifesting. So anything, all these powers will start happening to you if you are in integrity. Today Swamiji is defining very beautifully what is completion and what is integrity. See, completion is nothing other than not even feeling good or I feel like no, nothing else. So simple. Not having any compulsive thought current and not having any compulsive behavior, any thought pattern or any behavior pattern, any compulsive behavior pattern. You're in completion and you're in integrity. That's all. Nothing else. This is one of the best definitions I've ever heard. Because nothing else is going to matter. Only your compulsive behavior and your compulsive thought currents. You just need to you just need to leave it, and you'll simply see how the power starts manifesting through you. So, any question that you are having about all these different things, you can post in the comments and I can answer it to you live now. Anything it may be about, just post it in the comments. It can even be about what is the current power that we are expressing. It may be even about anything. You can post it in the comments and you can get them answered live now. I thank all of you who are reacting for or liking or giving reactions for this video, sharing this video. I thank all of you because it's going to enrich more people. I want more people to know about this science of Akashic readings because so there are billions of people out there and very few of us even know what is happening here. Paul Erico is asking a question. Oh, Vishokaya is asking a question. Can't wait to see Gurukul levitation demonstration. Yes, today morning in Satsang, Swamiji declared that all the Balasans of Nityananda Gurukul, all of us are going to start manifesting this power of levitation. The new species are going to start levitating. Of course, levitation is a known science, actually a known power that all the people here in the Adinam know. But that's just for a few seconds that you stay in air. Levitation is a science where your body, you become one with that, or you just start feeling that oneness. You become so light that you start lifting yourself up and start floating in air. That levitation is called as levitation, that floating in air. Swamiji declared today that all the Balasans of Nityananda Gurukul are going to manifest this power where we will be able to stay at least 60 seconds in air. Float in the air for 60 seconds minimum. Floating for jumping up and coming down without anyone's control itself is a big thing. Now we will be able to start manifesting this power where we'll be able to levitate, stay up in the air, float in the air for 60 full seconds. That initiation is going to happen soon, and of course we are going to demonstrate. Just like how Swamiji has given this whole science